everybody, Crafting Journey here, that Journey Chick on Instagram. Welcome to the July giveaway. Every month I do a yarn giveaway and then I throw in some other items. So this month, let's just get right to it. What am I giving away? Here's how it'll work. There will be some rules. You're going to have to wait to the end to hear the rules. There's also going to be a question, a random question that you will need to answer in your comment. You will need to leave a comment with the answer to the question. And so, what am I giving away this month? You know, every month I give away, I have a little giveaway. I'll announce it at the beginning of the month. The random comment picker drawing will be live the last Wednesday of July. And we can look at the calendar and see what that is. Okay, where's the calendar? I have so many icons on this thing. Okay, here's the calendar. Come on, open up. Okay, July, looks like it'll be the 28th of July. At 8 p.m. we will do the giveaway. So what am I giving away? All right. From Hirschner's, we have some Mills ends. This is a pound of yarn, 4 weight. There's a black and white here, and there is a purple and gray. So you should be able to make something really nice out of. So you get a pound of yarn there. Then at the Joann's, no, it wasn't Joann's, well, it was Hobby Lobby clearance, I got this Yarn Bee Awesome Ombre Coral Pink, and it's so beautiful. 435 yards, and it's a very lightweight. It's a number 2, but I figured you could make something really pretty out of that. It's nice. Very nice. What is that made out of? It is, the color is coral pink. The company's Yarn Bee. What's it made out of? Are you gonna tell me? 75% acrylic, 15% nylon, 10% wool. That's nice. Okay. I just don't do thin yarns. I really don't. So I actually did purchase it for the giveaway. I like thicker yarns. Yep, like this. So this is also Yarn Bee Uber Luxe, and it is a 6 or a 7. It's a 7, but that would make something really beautiful. I think I made a hat out of this last year. So gorgeous. Then this Basic Stitch by Lion Brand. It's a premium. It's an acrylic, 4 weight, and the color is gold. Mine. Basic Stitch. So that will be thrown in. You're getting every size, 2, 4, 7, 4. Well, maybe not every size. Oh, wait a minute here. This might be a 3. Is this a 3? It is a 3. Look at that. 2, 3, 4, 7. Am I giving you a 6? I might be. I didn't plan it that way. This is Mandela Sparkle. It has little, it's almost like a thread that goes through it. That's a sparkly silver thread. It's really pretty. This color is Lyra, L-Y-R-A. I'm probably mispronouncing that. 328 yards. It is a 3 weight. Look how pretty that sparkles. I don't know if it's sparkling for you. Yep. So now we have a 3 weight. Now the big one. This one is a 5. There you go. What are we missing? 6. I don't have a 6 for you. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So you can do, it's up to you what you do with it all, but wow, what a choice. So this is Sundance Whirlwind. I don't remember where I got this. I got a package of 3 of them. Oh, from Hirschner's. Okay, it came from Hirschner's. 100% acrylic, 5 bulky, but look how pretty that is. Yeah, and it's super soft. Yeah. So a 5 bulky. And last but not least, more Lion Brand. Yes, I love lime brand. Cotton blend. This makes, I made last year a couple of dishcloths for the to take to the retreat and give them away. And people just were raving about them, and it's really a neat yarn. This one is black and white. I got another one in blue and white that I'm keeping to make some stuff out of, but I'm going to give away the black and white. This is called Twisted Cotton. It is a 5 weight. I didn't realize that was a 5 weight. It doesn't look like a 5 weight. Looks more like a 4 weight to me. Huh. Anyway, 69% cotton, 31% acrylic. It does work up really nice. It does. Like I said, I have used it. This is called Black Ecru. That's the color. So that is the yarn. What else am I giving away? So I picked up this happy planner at Joann's. Now this is not a normal planner. This is called a happy journal. And it says happiness blooms from within. So this is from the Happy Planner company. Inside it says be patient, be loving, be kind, be gentle. And it's really so you can do journaling. It doesn't have any dates in it. You can put what week it is or what day it is and just do notes, and it has little prompts, how did you strengthen your mind today? What kindness did you show today? And I love these ring things. So this is like one of the insides. It's very light, so it's kind of hard to see on camera. Anyway, I thought this, if you do planning, this is a nice addition to go along with your planner. Some people like to put like what television shows they watched or maybe what projects they're working on, as opposed to a planner where you might put, dates that things are happening for you. Anyway, I just thought it was super cute. So that will go along with all of the yarn. So, did I show you that? Let me show you it one more time. There you go. All right, what do you have to do to enter? You must be, and I repeat, you must be subscribed to the channel. Please hit the like button down at the bottom, the little thumb, hit the thumb. Share this with your friends, family, maybe somebody that's not your friend. I don't know, just share the video if you that's not a requirement, but I would be gracious if you did. And answer the question. I do want to comment that if this, once I do the drawing on the 28th, you will have 10 days to claim your prize. If not, it will be forfeited. So just want to put that out there. Anyway, the question is, how many pages are in the journal? Yes, how many pages were in the journal that I'm giving away with the yarn? So, what do you think, guys? Leave a comment with your answer. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I hope you're already subscribed. So let me describe what I do on the channel. I do true crime, a version of true crime, so people can watch my show and listen while they're working on crochet projects, cross stitch, diamond painting, whatever you're into. But what I do is I cover live trials. I was a former attorney. I litigated in court for many, many years, so I understand the process. So I try to bring my view to of what's going on in the trial and try to explain things to the audience, my subscribers. So I hope you tune in. I hope you enjoy the channel. I hope you enjoy the giveaway. So good luck, and I will see you on July 28th at 8 p.m. Love you all. Bye.